Ray, is the camera on? It is? Good. Because I got something to show you. Come here. Look at this. We have cardboard. We have so much cardboard. I know we'll need more, but we've got cardboard. And I know you've just been to the dentist and you can't say anything because your mouth hurts. But your hair is perfect today. Ooh, perfect. Hi, I'm Russ. I'm rebuilding a 1977 Mobile Traveler motorhome, and this is all about the MT and me. Hi, and welcome back to the MT and me. Today, we're killing time until we can move the MT. We've talked to you before about the fact that we want to move the MT over just about 2 feet to get it solidly on this concrete slab that we have in our yard. And also that'll help even it up because she's still tilted a little bit this way. So we're doing some cleanup in the MT to kill time and also a little cleanup in the yard to get ready to make that move. We've had a tremendous amount of rain in the last few weeks and probably still going to get some more before the really monsoon season of springtime here in the Mid-South is over with. So once that happens and things dry out and stay dry for more than a couple of days, then we'll get around to moving her. In the meantime, well, we've got some stuff to keep us busy. For one thing, we've been taking measurements of the interior so that we can plan our cabinets and features here inside the MT. Now that we have almost everything out of it, it's much easier to take all those measurements and to kind of get an idea of what things are going to look like. The cardboard you saw at the beginning of this video is going to be used to build mock-ups of our interior. The cabinets, the shelves, all the other features, we're going to make them out of cardboard. Rhea is quite a name for herself as being a cardboard queen from our work with years of haunted houses and building props for that. So she can make just about anything you want to make out of cardboard and make it look good. And although it probably would be strong enough to use permanently, we still plan on eventually replacing it with wood. But we'll build it out of cardboard first. That'll let us see how things look, how they fit together, and how everything's going to gel, hopefully. So we have some plans done already. We have a preliminary floor plan here that we've worked on. And we also have an artist rendering made by a non-artist of what we think the back of this vehicle is going to look like. Now you may remember from some of the earlier videos, we're moving the kitchen, which was located right over here, to the back of the MT. Well, our idea starts over on this side. First of all, let me mention that we're going to try and shift the door up maybe about a foot in that direction and make it a little bit wider because we want to make a 2-piece Dutch style door for the top and the bottom open separately. Okay, so you got that going for you. We're going to put the stove oven combination, which is the only major appliance that I think we will be reusing in here. It's going to go right here where the refrigerator is sitting currently until we can get it out of here. It's going to go right in this corner, and then we'll have cabinetry going on across the back here to a large vertical cabinet in that corner. This cabinet here underneath will have a refrigerator, a chest type refrigerator under it. And then along the back here, maybe some bins for dry goods, like flour, sugar, things like that, spices. We've got a lot of kitchen items that we like to cook. So it's going to be a very well-equipped kitchen. And we want a nice selection of built-in storage for all of that. plus some sort of overhead storage. We're still kind of foggy on what kind of cabinets we might put across the top, but there's going to be something up there. This window is going to have to be raised, I don't know, maybe 6 inches or so up from where it is to allow for a good cabinet height here. So we'll have to deal with that too, working on the wall. Now, over here in this corner, this window is going to be coming out completely because we're going to have a cabinet built in this corner. It's our water closet. The toilet is going to be at the bottom of it. We're leaning towards maybe a cassette style toilet at this point. That is still to be determined though. Whatever kind of toilet we end up with, it's going to be enclosed in the bottom with some sort of provision, of course, to close yourself in for privacy within this water closet, which is literally what it is. The storage for toiletries and other items will be above that. Each side will also have pull-out storage with a food pantry on one side and dish and pan storage on the other side that we can access by pulling out. This is the wet area right over here where the kitchen was originally. We want to put the sink back in here, a custom built sink with a built-in washboard, sink that blends in with the cabinet top so that it's all basically one unit. Underneath it will be provisions for laundry, laundry storage, and also the washing system that we use will be underneath the sink because this is where the water is going to be. And where I'm standing, we're going to have a shower pan built into the floor with full drainage, of course, and this will be the shower area. Here again, there'll be a provision for some sort of privacy curtain. Obviously, you need a shower curtain if you're going to be spraying water. It'll be pulled out and around so that someone can stand here and have plenty of room to take a shower, have full access to water because it's right here at the sink, and it'll simply drain through the floor. And then, when it's not in use, you can push everything away, and you just have the floor plan, floor pan, that can be covered up and use it as a natural part of the floor in the kitchen. So, it's an ambitious plan, but I think we can make it work. We put a lot of thought into this, and although the ideas are still in flux, you might say, we're going to be modifying things, I'm sure, but that gives you a basic idea of what we have in mind for the rear end of the MT. As for what's going on up the sides, we're still working on that. If you look at the floor plan, well, we've got some storage, we've got batteries and all kinds of stuff, but that's still to be worked out at this point. As is the bed, another key feature that's going to be some sort of hideaway bed system. So we'll deal with that with another video when we've given it some more thought. In the meantime, that's where we stand right here, right now. Coming up next, we have to take the water system out. And we'll be doing that in our next video. We've still got the fresh tank, all of the plumbing, the toilet, the bathroom lavatory, and everything like that. So we'll be getting to that next time around. Hope you'll join us for it too. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. We're still striving to reach our 100 mark of subscribers, getting closer and closer, and you can help by subscribing. We really would appreciate it. Be sure to like and share this video if you do like it, and whenever you do subscribe. And also follow us on Facebook too. You can keep up with what's going on with the MT and me on Facebook. Next time, Ree should be able to say something maybe. Like I said, she's recovering from a little dental work right now, but she is behind the camera. I'm Russ. Thanks for watching. We will talk later.